Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a really simple and refreshing dessert from Japan. I love to enjoy my Japanese coffee jelly with the cream mixture. Its rich and creamy texture goes really well with the slight bitterness of the jelly. And if you're a big fan of coffee, please don't hesitate to add the jelly in your cold coffee for an extra kick. Now let's get in the kitchen to know how this amazing coffee jelly is made. The first ingredient we'll need today for the coffee jelly is agar-agar powder. This time I'm using 2 little packs of 2 grams. Gently put the agar-agar in the mixing bowl. Then pour in 100 ml of fresh water and nicely mix through. Now put a pot over medium-high heat and pour in 500 ml fresh water. Fold in the agar-agar and water mix. To give our coffee jelly a hint of sweetness, I will add in 4 tablespoons sugar, so around 60 grams. Gently mix everything together until the sugar and agar-agar powders are dissolved. Bring the mixture to a boil for around 1 minute, then turn the heat and pour in 150 ml coffee. Stir well when the mixture is still hot and very gently pour the hot mixture into a square or rectangular tray. We'll let it cool down to room temperature and magically transform into jelly. While waiting for the jelly, let's make our simple cream mixture with only 2 simple ingredients. First one we'll have here condensed milk. Today I'm gonna be using around 70 ml. You can adjust the amount to your taste. The second ingredient is whipping cream, and that will give that richness to our mixture. Pour 300 ml into the bowl. Then using a whisk, mix the 2 ingredients together, then pop the bowl in the fridge until the coffee jelly is ready. Look how beautiful our jelly has turned out. Now all we have to do is cut it into bite-sized cubes, then transfer all the cubes to a bowl or smaller container. To enjoy, we're gonna fill a cup with lots and lots of jelly. Then nicely pour in the cold cream mixture and we're finished. I hope that you all have enjoyed today's video, and please give this recipe a try. If you do, make sure to snap some pictures and share them with me using the hashtag #ThisFromHome. I would love to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Good luck and bon appetit! Mwah!